Hello there, Karan here, and in this video we are going to talk about a very simple and easy to use command. Let's start the terminal. The name of the command is RD command. It is, I'll say, the complementary part of the MD command. So earlier we learned about MD. MD stands for making directories and RD stands for removing directories. So let's directly create some folders. I'll open Explorer along with terminal. So we are in the C. I'll delete A. I think I don't need this. Oh, okay. Let's delete this. In users, I'm in KVC. So here we are. I'll make another folder with the command prompt. So I'll make MD test. And if you go there, we have a test folder. I'll go inside the folders because this is empty. We'll create a workspace. I'll be working in this for this video in this folder. So let's go back, and now let us create some folders. MD, I'll say folder 1, folder 2, yeah, whatever it is, and ABC, XYZ, 1, 2, 3. So if because I haven't surrounded the entire thing by double quotes, so it will create all of these folders separately. If I'll press enter, you go inside, and my bad, what I did actually is I created all the folders here instead of going inside the folder. So let's do one thing, because I don't need these folders. I will do, instead of selecting them one by one, I'll just convert M by R and I'll press enter, and all these folders are gone. Perfect. So let's do one thing. Let's go inside the test folder because I don't want to create a mess here. So let's change directory to test. I'll press T and press tab. It will give me suggestions and I'll press enter. We are in the test folder, how you can say, from there. So earlier it was still KVC. Now we are in the test inside the test folder. So let's try to create the same thing. I'm pressing up arrow key to recall my previous commands. So MD again, enter, alt tab, all the folders are created again. And now you already know how to use the RD command. Just write RD, name of the folder, let's say ABC, and 1, 2, 3. So if you separate them, let's create another folder. Let's create MD ABC 1, 2, 3. So now I'm creating a specific folder which contains ABC and 1, 2, 3 along with a space. So you can see we have ABC separately, 1, 2, 3 separately, and ABC 1, 2, 3 together. So let's try to see what RD command will do if I write RD ABC 1, 2, 3. So technically it should only remove, or let's see, I'll not tell you. Let's see what happens. Learn by testing. So RD ABC 1, 2, 3, we don't get any error. That means it is successful. And awesome. You can see ABC and 1, 2, 3 is gone, but a folder named ABC 1, 2, 3 is not gone. So if you want that folder to go, let's say I'll write once again this same thing. I'll press enter, and it says the system cannot find the file specified. It gives you error twice because it is looking for both the folder one by one. And now let us surround it by double quotes and press enter. Awesome, that folder is gone. So if you want to remove all the folders inside the directory, let's see how we can do that. So RD, you don't need to remember all these. Just remember one thing, that there is one rule in command prompt world. In the world of command prompt, there is only one rule. If you know the name of the command, then type /? after that. If it is a standardized command, you will get a help menu, and help menu will give you the thing that you need. So awesome. You can say it removes or deletes a directory, and the earlier usage was rmdir, that means remove directory. You can also call it as folder. And there are some parameters here, special parameters, or we also known as switches. You can use the switches as well, /s/q, and then the path of the folder that you want to remove. So please note, if you want to remove a folder, RD is useful. If you want to remove a file, there is another command. We'll talk about it in another video. So this is just for removing folders. And slash s will do, it removes all the directories and the files in the specified directory in addition to directory itself used to remove the directory tree. Okay, I'll give you an example how to use that. Slash q is just for quiet mode. Do not ask if okay to remove directory. Okay, let's do one thing. We have folders, folder 1, folder 2. Let's go inside. Let's create a folder manually. Control Shift N, new folder, Control Shift N, new folder 2. Yeah, and then in new folder 2 I'll create a text document, empty text document. Let's go back in the test folder. Let's open our terminal, and now to clean it, either press Ctrl L. That doesn't work here like in the Linux world, so press type CLS, enter. Everything is gone. CLS is to clear the screen. And now we can try to delete I think folder 1. Yeah, folder 1. Let's try to remove directory folder 1. Now press enter. It will not remove the folder. It just gives you a, what I can say, a warning kind of thing that the folder is not empty, so we can't do that. So if you want to force it to delete that, you can do one thing. Let's make a copy of it first. Control C, Control V. Yeah, so I'll do slash q. It doesn't do that. It still tells me that it will not work. So the way of doing it is slash s. Slash s tells us it's case insensitive. You can type small s as well. So what slash s tells is that remove this folder and the folder inside of this folder, everything, remove that. And it says, are you sure? So you think it's asking me, are you sure? I'll say no for time being. And let's see if I write slash q as well. Now press enter, and yeah, it did not ask me, are you sure? Because I write slash q. So slash q suppresses the yes and no questions. It is useful in a way when the user when you are actually writing this command in a script. So you do not want the user to every time answer yes and yes, yes, yes in your program. Or suppose you are creating a game and it is trying to delete a temporary file or folder, and every time user has to press yes instead of playing the game. So that's annoying. So yes, our folder 1 is gone, but we have folder 1 copy. Let's try to do folder 1 copy as well. Yeah, you see it, when I pressed tab, it automatically surrounded the folder name by double quotes, because CMD understands that if it contains spaces, we need to surround it by double quotes. Press enter, and it should be gone. Perfect. So now I'll not stretch the video longer, and I hope this gives you clarity about RD. In case if you have any queries, feel free to drop in the comments below. Please subscribe, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.